Hello dear friends in IGCSE. This is Wael Bashuri, the math and physics teacher. In this video I'm gonna solve this question from May-June 2022 version 41, question number 7. So let's directly start solving. Calculate angle ACD. So angle ACD means this angle here. So you have to calculate this angle C. Clearly we have to use the cosine rule. So let's start like this. 91 squared is equal to 14 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 14 times 12 times cosine angle C. Now to continue solving, here we have to make cosine C the subject of the formula. So let's take these amounts to the left side and see what we get. 91 squared minus 14 squared minus 12 squared equal negative 2 times 14 times 12 times cosine C. Now we divide both sides of the equation by negative 2 times 14 times 12, negative 2 times 14 times 12. Cancel these amounts to make cosine C alone on the right hand side. And what we get on the calculator here, we do shift cosine. So C will be cosine inverse this amount that we got here, and then we get C will be 39.6. so that's the angle, that's the required angle in this question. Now question B, show that BC is 7.05. You have to calculate BC. So as we said, this angle here is 39.6. Now we have to calculate BC. Now to calculate BC, we can use sine rule. So BC divided by sine 25 is equal to 14 divided by sine 123. And then we cross multiply. So BC multiplied by sine 123 is equal to 14 multiplied by sine 25. Now we divide both sides by sine 23, sine 123 here and here. Cancel these amounts. BC is equal to 7.054 kilometers as required in the question. Next one, question C. Calculate the shortest distance from B to AC. Shortest distance from B to AC must be the perpendicular distance, like this. That is the shortest distance. So let's label this distance X. Now, in order to calculate this distance, we can use trigonometry, Sokatawa. Since we have BC is 7.054, so it's here, 7.054. So we can take this triangle here, and now we can see cosine, or let's say sine 32 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Remember, that's the formula. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hyp. So now we cross multiply. Here you have over 1. So now we cross multiply, get x equal 7.054 multiplied by sine 32. And like this you get the answer. X will be 3.74, and that is the answer. Now, next question. Calculate the length of the straight line BD. The straight line BD means you have to calculate this distance. So in order to do that, you have to use cosine rule again one more time. So let's see what we have to do. Here you can see BD is equal to BD squared is equal to 7.054 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 7.054 times 12 times cosine. Now we have to add 39 plus 39.6 plus 32. So this is 71.6. So here 71.6. And then you can use your calculator to calculate the length of BD. So now BD, after doing square root on the calculator, you get 11.8. Like this, we have finished this question. So don't forget to subscribe and like my videos if you are interested in more videos from IGCSE.